Hi guys, welcome to another video of Incorporate Fitness. I'm Shaiju Balagopal, your fitness trainer, and today it's an intense workout. What we're going to do is the legs. So we are going to do the functional leg training workout. It's pretty intense. It's not easy. So what we're going to start with is an intense workout and ends slowly into slightly milder workout. So that's how we're going to go in the reverse. So the first two exercises are super intense, and the form is what is going to be more engaging and more challenging. All right, watch till the end, understand the exercise properly, and do it. Hi guys. All right, the first exercise. All right. What we need is something which is elevated, something like this. You can use a chair or a stool if you have to. So sit down. Yes, it's the Bulgarian squat, but I'm going to teach you in a very different way. So what I'm going to do is tilt this a little bit so that you can see it. All right. So there it is. All right. So what you're going to do is sit on it. Okay. Take your leg forward. Come up this for just measuring it. Then put your leg on top, go all the way down. Now if you see, I'm straight, okay, but I'm pushing forward like that. Okay, when I'm coming up like that, towards forward. So I'm engaging my glutes, my hamstring, my quads is working on the other side. It's a very engaging workout. It goes like that. So you can load up weights if you have to. So start with sitting down, stretch your leg, bring it up, put your leg on top, then go down, push it forward. Okay? Come down, push it forward. So you're working your glutes, your hamstring, and your calf, and your quads on the other side. It's a pretty engaging exercise. Keep your shoulders square. The pushing leg might turn your shoulders away from your glutes. Keep it straight. Alright guys, the next exercise. If you have a barbell, okay, you will see all of them using a barbell now, but if you have this, it's more than enough. Just a rod. So what you're going to do is take the rod, put it up, and go down. Pause there for a minute, not a minute, a second, and then come up. So go down, pause, and up. Right? That's what you're going to do. Do it 10 into 4. Try it out. See here, more than the number of reps. Try to do it with a lot of engagement. Go down, wait, and come up. The next exercise is a very interesting one. Okay, I call it the clock. So we follow the clock and we go in all directions. It's a very engaging exercise. You will feel it everywhere throughout your legs, and it's a wonderful exercise to do. If you are short of time, you can do this exercise quite a few sets of it on both directions. So I'm going to start it off because it takes time to show it. So what you're going to do is start from here. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 12. Here you repeat 12 again. 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The thing which you have to look at, you come back is one set. Okay, so what you need to look at whenever I'm placing my feet, this toe is always straight. So wherever I place it, the toe is facing forward. Whichever position it is still facing forward. Okay, so that's what you need to concentrate. Keep going up and down. There's one set. Try to do 6, and it will be pretty engaging for your whole legs. Try it out. Hey guys, so this is the last exercise. We are doing only 4 exercises today. Okay, you know it's a leg day. Everyone gets tired. Alright? So, and the last exercise, it's pretty engaging as well. So what you're going to do is sit on a chair or anything like this. Put your leg forward, okay, and do not rock yourself, but rise up straight up. So you're going to go up like that. Okay, and come back, slowly squat, up, and up. Don't go down, don't slump yourself or rise up with your core, with swinging your back. Just rise up, straight up, drop, straight up. So, and change the leg, and 10 on each leg, 4 sets, and it's an intense workout. Thanks for watching till the end. If you like such content and new exercise like these, continue watching, continue subscribing, share it with your friends, ask them if they need any help, and we'll be able to answer those. Thank you, and continue watching.